Hello from Slovenia again. I missed my flowers lately, and I get some comments that you miss it too, so today I will do a reverse flower dip, and I decided that I will use for my base Amsterdam Titanium Buff Light, so it's kind of creamy color. And for my flower I will use Artist Loft Copper, Amsterdam, Persian Rose, and my Mary Bordeaux Red. Just these three, and of course my Pearl White. So I will pour some Pearl White first. Okay, something is in here. Just have to grab this hair, whatever it is, or some plastic, because it's kind of glued. Okay, and I will start with copper. But I have to be careful with this copper because it's kind of sometimes try to take over. And some pearl white. And I will add a little more pearl white this time because I have only 3 colors and I want kind of a little more of the white too. So this was Persian Rose and pearl white again, and I'm using just this regular plastic flower shaped cup for this cup bottom reverse flower dip. So, and Bordeaux Red and pearl white again. Okay, and the rose. I really love these colors together. Oh, before I forgot, for the baby shower for Marina, we are still waiting for 3 packages to come, and they have to be really close. Ooh, I should do copper first. Now I will do copper here. So it will be next Saturday, not this Saturday that we said earlier, because we really want these packages to come, you know, from the people who send her gifts. So sorry for the noise again. And Bordeaux Red. And now I probably have to change my order a little bit. I will just do pearl white again and rose again, and pearl white again. So this is May 14th, 15th, next Saturday. I will definitely let you know everything, but we really want to wait, so we decided that we will wait 1 more week. So, but this weekend maybe I will invite my son Amadei to pour with me. Maybe you will meet him too. I will ask him if he will want to do that. Okay, let's do some petal shape with my skewer. Just have to grab a paper napkin. I was busy all day long today and I just want to relax a little bit and do maybe a nice flower, so I'm a little unorganized, but that happens with me a lot, so nothing new. So let's turn this around and add some pearl white again and copper. And pearl white again. These cups are really, they are compostable, but they are really not so nice to hold, or what, how can I say. And pearl white again. And Bordeaux red, and this will be it. And then it's time for paper napkin. Okay. I will spray my napkin with water to make it a little softer. Just, you know, my preference. You can use dry paper napkin, paper towel, plastic wrap, whatever you want to do a reverse dip. I just prefer my napkins have a lot of paint in the middle. I will just drag this towards the middle. Okay. Okay. And let's put my napkin down. And another half. And I will just make sure, you know, that paint touches the napkin everywhere. Okay, and now to the lifting part. It's always a challenge to lift the napkin, that it would create nice patterns. So grab these parts and lift it up. Okay, not much lacing. Let's torch it a little bit and see, and then I will maybe give it a baby spin just to maybe add some more cells to this if I can. And I miss some paint here on the corners, so I will add it, some paint around and tilt it, and it will level out a little bit and hopefully create a little more lacing. So let's see. Just want to have enough paint on all corners, otherwise it will flow to one side more than to the other if I will, you know, spin it. When I will spin it, no if. Okay, one baby spin. And it starts flowing off the canvas, so maybe I should just do one more spin. Push it like this over the edge here, but not all the way. And now I will put it down from my spinner, because I don't want, you know, that it will and then I will take it for a close-up. Just a second, just to put 4 cups here to put my canvas on. Okie dokie. Okay. I think that I like it now. I definitely like the colors. And I like the little of the negative space that it's left. Just one more torch. Sorry that I'm talking while you don't see anything, but I just torch it a little bit more. And now I will take it down for a close-up. And you have a glare. Maybe this way it will be without a glare, maybe. No. Okay, I think that now it's good. Probably look the best this way, or just my taste. And I love the colors, and I did get a little more lacing out with spinning it, so I'm happy with this one. I like it, and I like this negative space that it's left. So I will say that it's done. I really missed my flowers, so I just want to do one, you know, and I think that it's beautiful. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.